Hi guys, it's me, Sniffles, and welcome back to play Sitckman Epic 2 with Candace and Toothy. Hi guys! Hello! And we're gonna play the part 2 of chapter 2 is called The Wasteland. Woo! Special. I know. Okay, if you definitely and to subscribe and to go like the part 1. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, what's this? A pickaxe. I can use it. I know about the deal of hammer, but I know about everything of cost. What? Nothing of bad of deal. It's gnurst. I got it from the Sherry's about this. Really? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got the Sherry's. With this. Nah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and it's the same. Get out of here, rocks. What are these, Chef? Hello again. And what are these? Are these the gems? No, it's just a crystal from the scientist. Oh! And into the mine, this the wall. The pickaxe are broke. You can have this. Okay, and to share it. Oh! I got the color buddy. Great. You found your first color buddy. Connect more color buddies to add the colors to your strict book. Ah. That makes sense. I know, it makes sense. What's with evil? It's you, Toothy. Yay, I'm the evil. Oh my god, Toothy. Yeah, Candace. I guess you're right, yeah. Can we go on hole? And can we see the blood? I actually see the blood of suck this up. Woo! Ouch! Whoa, what was that place? This is when I've been in chapter 3. This is something in mind. I got the color buddy. Wait. I got the color buddy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's go. And then yoink, yoink, yoink. Let's go. Whoa! I got the 2 color buddies. Let's go. Don't let the roof fall down. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Uh-oh, the rats are back. Okay. There we go. Here's your... That's not a fish. That's a puzzle. We found the puzzle. You found your first puzzle piece. Check your puzzle and progress anytime from the level select menu. Oh. Is this right, Selfie? Of course it's dead. What about you, Candace? Is this good idea? Yes. Oh, that's a make of good idea. Wait. I start a farm soon. Yeah. Maybe the fish will return soon. Of course. Okay, what happened? Oh, you need this? How? Okay, how get it? Into the rocks to break it? We got it. The crystal. And to make a potion? That will make a rock. This is when it's I get. Okay, follow me. Is he chasing you? No, he's following me. Look. Oh. I'm gonna help him. Oh, right there.
What's up?
Follow me. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Okay. I started off for legs week. Oh, you're the good scientist, are you? Yes. Thanks. Huh. Okay. The rocks. Whoa, what was that? The turtles rock. Let's break him. You killed them! Yeah, by tree of lights. They're bad guys. They're bad guys. Oh. Okay, let's do it. Oh, more! Trying to get me. Whoa! No! No! Ouch! I see the red thing. Nope, nothing in the rocks. No. Run! Rip. No. Ah! Ah! No, I must die. No. Ah! I did it! You did it! Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Go, 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 go! Ah! Woo! Why is it making music so slow? I don't know. Okay. Please work. Great job. Ah! Who did this? Yay! Checkpoint! What? Yeah. Okay, I got the page. Okay, I'm missing one puzzle. Okay. And nothing to worry about? Yeah. You better like them. Okay. Okay, still chapter 3. The ink mind. Okay. Are you ready, Candace and Toothy? Yeah. Okay, Candace and Toothy. Oh, I got the wires crayons. Draw the wires. Oh, that makes sense. You know. Whoa! Give me the puzzle. Really? I'm sure. You had to use it, but it didn't mean to spell that much. True. I know. Oops. Nothing to worry about. Whoa! Oh, okay. Whoa! He's naked! Ah! Naked dude. Uh-oh. Oh. Trying to get me. Rip. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go, my train. Yeah, train. Train. Oh, what the heck is that? Really, Candace? Yeah, my voice straight on. Bruh. Okay, that's weird. Why? Because my head is like the dinners of this Flaky and Flippy. Does it make any sense? Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, okay. Oh! How you even think of that? Until that, boom, and boom. Couldn't around. Rip. Is that blood? It doesn't look like. It's getting closer. There. What? I make sure. Okay. Whoa! Did you jump scared? Maybe. Okay. Draw the wires. Boom. Bam. Bam. Close. Woo! Girl, what the? Whoa! How you get in there? Wait. What? Yay! I did it! One more means. Destroy the walk. Oh, there's more. Not again. Yeah, not again. Here we go again. Okay, how will you do that? Maybe this. Nah. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Bruh. No! It just destroyed! I can't do it! I can't! Okay, we have to end this, so say bye to the video. Bye! And don't forget, peace out. Bye!